Hi guys, it's Happy Ninja here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a flickering light in Roblox Studio in 2 different ways. So let's run the game and see how it looks. So the first way is, so light's enabled right now, and when I touch this, all of a sudden it starts flickering. Like, you can use that, like maybe if you're making like a creepy horror game, when you touch the part, like lights will flicker, and you know, it'll have a scary effect to your game. And then the other version is, let me just enable this script and disable this one. So the other version, I'll just show you what it looks like now, and it's just flickering in general. You know, just random flickering. You can change how it flickers. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Now, I'll just show you how I made it dark. Let's change it back to. So first, to make it easy to show you, you don't have to do this. I just made it on nighttime. So if you want to learn how to do that, you just click on lighting, which should be right the third thing if everything's closed, of course. And then right here you can just change the time of day. At the moment it's 2 o'clock, so let's make that start of the day, nighttime. And now you're gonna want to add a part, so probably anchor it because you want a light to stay up. And then inside, let's name it light because that's kind of what it is. And then inside it, add a surface light. So this thing. Now, you want it to go to the ground, so make it bottom. It should shine there. You can change this brightness to however bright you want. I'll just make it 6.4. That'll do. And so, just to make it look more like a light, I'm going to use neon. So, oops, it's kind of got a glowy effect there. Okay, so I got my neon light. And then what you're going to want to do is add a script inside this light. Now, first I'll just show you the lighting in general. Oops, I accidentally had caps lock on. While true do. So then, inside this, while true do just means while it's just true, it will do this. So you can kind of do lots of different stuff. And then you write script.parent.surface_light dot enabled equals true. Or actually no, you'd start with false because it's already enabled. If you want to make it so that it flickers on and off at the same time and it goes non-stop, then what you do is, instead of doing while true do, you write while wait, and then you put the time in you want. Let's just go 0.25, and when you play it will just keep going on every 0.25 seconds. So you can do that, but you can also do this where you go like that and then you write wait. Now this way takes a bit longer, but it gives like your light, so it's not like flickering at the same speed all the time. So let's just copy that, make it faster, and just change that to true. So, and then you're gonna write wait, and you can just have a different number now. I'll make it a bit slower, and then you can just make a random amount. You can change these. The only thing you can really change here is the number in the weight. So this is kind of what's gonna happen. It's just on, off, on, off. And you can make as many as you like. And since it's while true do, it'll be on a repeated cycle the whole time. So now when you test it, it's dark and it's just on, off, random times. It's not in a specific time. Okay, so that's the first thing. So that's how you do the first thing. Okay, so the other way is you actually add another part. You can make yours invisible and stuff, but I'm just gonna keep mine visible because it's kind of dark and I want to know where it is. And then rename it to, I don't know, light flicker. It doesn't matter. The name doesn't. It only tells you. It only tells you the difference between your different parts. So then you write game dot workspace dot light flickerer dot touched colon connect function, right, hit, and then you're going to write local humanoid. So this is when this happens, when the light flicker, which is this part, is touched, then it's going to happen, and when it's touched, it's hit. So we're going to use hit to reference humanoid. So local humanoid equals hit dot parent, find first child humanoid. So if the whatever hit its parent has and you find the first child as a humanoid, then that's what's referenced as a humanoid. So it doesn't really affect anything if it's not a humanoid. So we're doing if humanoid then, so only if it is a humanoid, then this will happen. And then we'll write, you know what, in this time I want to do it so it's just one repeated thing. You know what, doesn't matter. Script.parent dot surface light dot enabled equals true. I'm gonna make this a fast flicker, weight 0.1, and Control C, Control V, Control V. You can change the flickering to however you like. I'm just gonna do it like this because I want to make it interesting now. So after you did that, you can go ahead and test it. So there's my part. The light's on right now, and yeah, so it flickers like that. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.